Internships. I get asked all the time, hey, Matt, help me figure out how to get an internship. I like it. I love it when people ask me that question. It tells me that their head is in the right space, right? They don't want to take the hard way through life. And getting an internship is a great way to skip a bunch of steps in the ladder of success. I can't tell you how vital having the right internship is in launching your career in the right place. But there's a mistake that most people make. It's a terrible mistake. It frustrates me in terms of how to get an internship. I'm going to tell you about that mistake right now, and I'm going to show you how to avoid making that mistake so you can get a dynamite, a fantastic internship. Let me pull into the office. I'm about a block away. We'll get in front of the better screen, the better camera, and I'm going to explain to you how to get an internship. All right, so I'm running to the office. I'm going to show you how to get an internship. It's going to change your world. All I'm asking, if you like this video, it's a new channel for me, hit the like button and please consider subscribing. I'm here to help you. My guess is right now you're searching for internships and applying for those internships, or you're thinking about searching for some internships and applying. Well, here's the bad news. The bad news is that puts you in the worst possible position. Now, I'm not saying don't do that, but I want to be real with you. That puts you in the worst possible position because if they've already created an internship and they've posted it online, you bring no value to the table. The idea was already theirs, and now they're sifting through hundreds of applicants just like you who are willing to work for free. So you bring nothing to the table. How do we solve that problem? Here's the answer. I want you to create your own internship. Yes, you heard me correctly, and you can do this. Don't worry. Hang with me on this video, right? I want you to create your own internship. This way you're going to turn the tables. Now, because it's your idea, it will be the first time the company, the individual has heard the idea, so you're going to bring tremendous value to the table. Because it's your idea, you're not going to have any competition because you brought it up. You're the only person applying for this job because you created the internship. So I want you to think about that. Traditional way, internship that's already posted, you're coming to the party bringing no value because it was their idea and everybody's willing to work for free. And you've got a ton of competition. In some cases, hundreds, if not thousands of other applicants. This way, when it's your idea, you're bringing a ton of value to the table because you're bringing them a new idea, and there's not a single other applicant because it was your idea. You're the only person bringing this idea to the table. So how do we do it? First off, I need you to trust me on this one. And if you trust me, please smash that like button. Consider subscribing to this channel and hitting the notifications. I'll be with you every step of the way, giving you more helpful videos just like this. But the first thing that I need you to do is do your homework, do your research. LinkedIn is a great place for this. Identify the organizations that you want to work for. And more importantly, find the individuals in those organizations that you want to intern for. Now, when in doubt, start high, right? You don't want to be interning for the manager of the mailroom. Start at the C-suite, the CEO, the COO, whatever it is. If it's a law firm, make sure you start with a partner in the law firm. Whatever that organization is, I want you to create a list, right, of your dream organizations that you want to intern for, and then the dream people within those organizations. And again, LinkedIn will really help you do this. You can start an account for free. Next, I want you to research each of those companies. Now, you don't need to dig in and find people's blood types or backgrounds or things like that. Just really high level stuff. What is going on right now at that organization? Did they have a merger? Are they releasing some new products? Are they hiring a bunch of people? Did they open a new facility? Do they have a big class action case that's going on? What is going on within that organization right now? Next, I want you to go to your list of targeted individuals and I want you to start calling them. Yes, I want you to actually call them. Don't try sending them a text. Don't send them an email. That's lazy. And a lazy intern provides no value to anybody. You've got to do the work. I need you to pick up the phone and call them. When you get their voicemail, which you will because important people don't typically answer their phone, here's the voicemail message that I want you to leave. For the sake of this example, let's say my name is Jennifer Ebner and I'm a junior at Mississippi State University, okay? This same scenario is gonna work even if you're in high school. By the way, you can be in high school and go for an internship. Go for it, right? Or let's say you're ex-military, whatever your current situation is. But just for the sake of this voicemail, I'm gonna say that I'm Jennifer Ebner and I'm a junior at Mississippi State University. Here's how the voicemail will go. So Jennifer Ebner's calling me. Ring, 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 ring. Hey Matt, this is Jennifer Ebner. I'm a junior at Mississippi State University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn, and I wanted to reach out to you personally because I'm a big fan and I've got an idea that may be a game changer for you, but I'm not sure. Could you give me a call on my mobile? The number's 303-803-7372. Again, this is Jennifer Ebner. I'm a junior at Mississippi State University. All right, so let's break down that voicemail message. And by the way, you're welcome. This is probably the most killer voicemail that any executive's ever gonna get. You're enthusiastic, you're sharp as a tack, you're right on point, you appeal to their ego by saying you're a big fan, and you let them know how you're connected. So it's not a cold call out of the blue. So I want you to go back, I want you to listen to that voicemail. It's great. They will call you back. Now, if they don't, I don't want you to freak out. Anything worth it is worth the extra work that you have to do. And the more important people, it's gonna take a few calls to get them to call you back. So I want you to keep calling them, okay? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to call everybody every 3 business days. And don't pick just one company and one person and only call that one company and one person. Have a list, right? Have 10 ideal internships and be calling all 10 every 3 business days. I promise you, it won't be before too long that somebody is gonna either answer the phone or call you back. And when they do, this is what I want you to say. As with a lot of the things that I'm gonna teach you, I keep things simple and we repeat processes, all right? So we're gonna break this discussion when they call you back into 3 categories: current situation, capabilities needed, and next steps. Here's how it sounds with them. So let's say Jennifer Ebner calls me, I call her back. Hey Jen, I got your voicemail. It sounded interesting, but not sure what's going on, so I wanted to call you back. Here's what Jennifer Ebner would say. Matt, thank you so much for calling me back. I know your time is valuable, so I'll get right to the point. Based on my understanding of your current situation, Rockwell is currently in the middle of 4 new product launches. That combined with the Teledyne merger probably has everybody spread extra thin, working really hard to hit Q4 targets. So here's the capabilities you need based on how I see it. Ideally, Matt, you'd clone yourself, but that technology doesn't exist yet. You need a way to hand off or delegate unimportant but still necessary tasks so that you can focus your time, energy, and attention on the areas that need you the most. Matt, I want to be your intern. I'll work for free, do any task that's not worth your time, and can be available to you 24/7, 365. Next steps, Matt, I can start right now, and I'm willing to sign any NDA, go through any background check, whatever you need, just name it. I just want a chance to help. I really, really love the organization and I admire you. I want any opportunity I can to just be a part of things and help out where I can. Does it make sense to let me take some of this workload off your plate? And that's what it's gonna look like or sound like as their head explodes. They're like, wow, where have you been all my life? Executives like me, people that start businesses, people that are busy, important people. We love it when people like you come to us with great ideas just like this. Chances are when you go through that situation, lay out the current situation, capabilities needed, next steps, make it easy for them to bring you on board. They're gonna wanna bring you on board. And if for some reason it's not a fit, I guarantee you working 10 companies in your pipeline, at least 3 of them are gonna offer you an internship. This is that real world advice, right? I hope this helps you. And please How you can return the favor from me, just simply smash the like button, leave a comment. Let me know what you thought, right? If you need any other advice, anything else I can help you with, subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, put it in the comments. I'm here for you. I want to help you, and I hope I see you on the next video.